Hello students, welcome to the Gate Academy YouTube channel. I am Jay Prakash. In this particular session, we are going to discuss the solutions of digital circuit subject from the instrumentation paper. Okay, so all of you please share this link with all of your friends so that they also will get benefited from this particular session, right? Okay. So this is the question asked from the subject digital circuits from the chapter data converters, and the topic name is ADC specifications. The question given like this: a 10-bit ADC has a full scale voltage of 10.23 volts. When the digital output is, you are having all the 10 bits are 1. The quantization error of ADC in millivolts is dash. Here they have given one particular ADC which is having 10 bits. Input is the analog, output is the digital. Okay, they are asking the quantization error. I hope all of you are familiar regarding quantization error formula, right? What is the formula for quantization error? Quantization error formula: step size divided by 2. Step size divided by 2. What is the step size? Step size is nothing but V full scale divided by 2 power n minus 1 divided by this number 2. Okay. So when all the bits are 1, okay, regarding that one, whatever the value you are getting, that is nothing but full scale value, right? So here already they have given full scale value is 10.23 volts divided by, here number of bits are 10. So substitute here n value 10, 2 power 10 is nothing but 1024 minus 1, that is nothing but 1023. Divide this number with 2, right? So 10.23 divided by 1023, this one you can write as 1 by 100, and in the denominator you are having 2, so that means 200. Multiply and divide with 1000. So here 200 5 times, so that means this one you can write as 5 millivolts. So here they have asked in terms of millivolts, the answer is 5. Quantization error is 5. It is a numerical answer type of question. Okay. This is the MSQ type of question from the chapter data converters, and the topic name is flash type ADC. Here the question is like this: a 4-bit flash type ADC having a full scale input voltage range V. Choose the correct statements among the given following 4 choices, right? Option A: a 4-bit flash type ADC requires 15 comparators. Option B: it requires 4 to 2 priority encoder and 4 comparators. Option C: change in input voltage by V by 16 will always flip the MSB of output. Option D: change in input voltage by V by 16 will always flip LSB of the output, right? So this is the question based on flash type ADC, right? Here we are discussing the questions based on memory based questions which are asked in the instrumentation branch from the digital circuit subject, right? So here it is the MSQ type of question, and the weightage of this question is 1 mark. Okay, so among the given 4 choices, either one option can be correct or more than one option can be correct, right? So whichever the correct options are there, all the correct options you have to choose in order to get the assigned marks for this particular question, right? Okay, so this is a very theoretical question. Okay, here you are having 4-bit flash type ADC. 4-bit flash type ADC. So for implementing 4-bit flash type ADC, how many comparators we required? You are very much familiar, right? So if you are having n bits, then you require 2 power n minus 1 comparators, right? Substitute n value 4, 2 power 4 is 16 minus 1, that is nothing but 15. So we require 15 comparators. That means option A is correct. Option A is correct. Okay, so if you remember regarding 3-bit case, we have discussed in the classes, right? So for 3-bit flash type ADC, we require one priority encoder. The size will be 8 to 3, because you will be having 8 inputs. Okay. Similarly here, it is a 4-bit flash type ADC, so that means number of inputs are 16. So that means you require one priority encoder 16 to 4. But if you observe here, just one second. If you observe here, what they have mentioned? They mentioned we require 4 to 2 priority encoder. 4 to 2 priority encoder. But actually what we require? we require 16 to 4. That means this is wrong. Option B is wrong. Okay. Now, change in input voltage by V by 16. Okay. First, let us try to understand here. If you remember the circuit diagram of flash type ADC, right? At the input side, you will be having resistor divided network. Okay. Since here it is a 4-bit case, you have to consider 16 resistors, right? 16 resistors in series. Okay. And here the reference voltage is say V, and all the resistors will be having equal value. Like that, you will use 16 resistors in series, and you will take the reference points, right? So all these resistors are connected in series. So if you are finding the voltage across this particular resistor, then what you will get? Voltage V into this resistance, or divided by sum of all these resistance, right? So that means you will get 16 R. So that means you are getting reference voltage as V by 16. Here 2V by 16, 3V by 16. Like that you will get here V. Like that. Okay. So that means what they are mentioning, by changing the input voltage by V by 16, okay, which bit is getting flipped for each and every case at the output, right? See, say for example, if you are having 4 bits, right? So you will write all the 16 combinations of zeros and ones. So in this way you will get, right, starting from all bits zeros, then 0001, 0010, and then up to all the bits 1, right? So whenever you are incrementing, right, from one level to another level, then what is happening? Just observe here. LSB is getting flipped. Yes or no? LSB is getting complement, or LSB is getting flipped. Okay. So that means option C is wrong. What about option D? It is correct. LSB is getting flipped. Right? Okay. So this is the MSQ type of question. Out of 4 choices, right, 2 choices are correct. Option A, option D. Option A and option D are correct. Okay. This is the question related to the combination circuits chapter from the topic multiplexer. Okay. It is a MCQ type of question, and the weightage of this question is 1 mark. Okay. So here they have given 1 marks. You are having 4 inputs and 2 selection lines, and they are asking the output in terms of sigma m format or sum of min terms. Okay. See, most of the times students in the exam in hurry, they will consider this is I0, this is I1, this is I2, this is I3. No. Here in this question they have strictly mentioned this is I0, this is I1, this is I2, this is I3. But in general, whenever you are solving the questions related to the marks, okay, we used to write conventional like I0, I1, I2, I3. Okay, whether you write I0 to I3 here or here, but always the mux functionality is decided by the selection lines. If you are having 0, 0, I0 will be connected to the output. 0, 1, I1 will be connected like that. Okay. So whenever you are having the choices in sigma m format, okay, always write the variables order as it is. Write the variables order as it is. Okay. So here they have given the variables order is x, y, z, w. F is a function of 4 variables. The variables are x, y, z, w. Okay. So here if you observe, you are having 2 selection lines x, y. X, y are the selection lines S1, S0. Okay. So now let us consider the selection values as 0, 0, 0, 0. That time I0 will be connected to the output. Okay. Here you are having Z bar plus W. Z bar plus W. Right. So for the time being, let us consider only Z bar. Only Z bar. Okay. Irrespective of W value. Okay. Let us consider only Z bar. Okay. So if you are making Z value 0, 0 bar is 1. So output you are getting 1. Okay. So I am considering Z value is 0. W value can be 2 choices. Either 0 or 1. So the corresponding minterm numbers are M0, M1. M0, M1. Just check the choices. Here M1 is there but not M0. Right. So option A is wrong. Here M0, M1 both are not there. So option B is also wrong. You can eliminate. Here 0, 1 is there. Here also 0, 1 is there. And 3 is there. 3 is there. If you look at these 2 choices. Okay. 3 is there. 14 is there. 11, 15 are mismatch. Okay. So that means one among these 2 will be correct. Okay. We have to figure out. Now, let us consider now same selection values as 0, 0 only. 0, 0 only. Now in this case, let us consider W. Okay. Forget about Z bar. The moment if W value is 1, irrespective of this 1, 1 plus anything is 1, logical. So output you will get 1. So that means W value is 1. right? So here Z value you can consider the 0 or 1, two combinations. Okay. So regarding 0 we already discussed. Okay. Now let us consider one more combination, that is 1. So 0 0 1 1, that is nothing but M3. M3 is present in both the choices. Okay, fine. Next, for next combination 0 1 case, I1 will be connected. Here input is 0, so that means at the output you will get 0 only. So you don't need to consider this combination. Okay. Now let us consider one more combination, that is 1 0. 1 0 case, I2 will be connected to the output. What is I2? ZW. That means both Z and W values should be 1, right? So 1 0 1 1 is nothing but M11, right? So M11 is present here only. So that means option C is the correct one. Okay, so up to here we got 0, 1, 3, 11. Okay, let us verify whether we are getting M14 or not. Okay, so for 1 1 case, I3 will be connected to the output. What is I3? ZW bar. That means Z value is 1, W value is 0. 1110 is nothing but 14. Yes, we are getting. Right. So that means option C is the correct one. Okay.